In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post expenses onto your Freeagent account. We'll walk through the process from start to finish so that by the end, you'll feel confident recording your business spending accurately. I'll be talking about the desktop version and the mobile app, but the steps are almost identical in both. First, open Freeagent and head to the expenses section. On desktop, you'll usually see this in the main navigation menu. On mobile, look for the expenses option on the bottom or side menu. This is where all your out-of-pocket costs, like mileage, travel, and small purchases, are recorded. Once you're in the expenses area, start a new entry by selecting Add New on desktop or tapping the plus icon in the mobile app. This tells Freeagent you want to create a brand new expense record. Next, if your account has more than one user, choose who the claimant is. That simply means who paid for this expense. Make sure you select the correct person because that affects who will be reimbursed. Then choose the expense type. You'll normally pick whether this is a payment, meaning money was spent, or a refund, meaning money was returned to you. Now it's time to fill in the key details. Select the correct category to describe what the expense was for, such as travel, software, or office costs. Then choose the date the expense actually happened, not the date you're entering it. Finally, type in the total value of the expense as shown on the receipt, including any tax. To make your records clear, add a short description. This might be something like train to client meeting or monthly software subscription. Then, upload a picture of the receipt. Click or tap. Choose attachment. Find the photo or file on your device and attach it. Keeping receipts attached is really helpful for bookkeeping and for any future audits. If there are any additional details, fill those in now. For example, check the VAT rate and make sure it matches what's on the receipt. If this is something you pay regularly, look for options to mark it as recurring, so Freeagent can help automate it in the future. When everything looks correct, finish by clicking Create New Expense to save the entry. Your expense is now stored in Freeagent and will be reflected in your reports and accounts. That's the full process for posting expenses onto your Freeagent account, and you can repeat these steps for each new cost you need to record.